isang naiibang kwento ng pag-ibig.
I was just really very happy that I was invited again. The story is parang first love never dies. They both had families na. Yung feelings nila for each other, parang haunting both of them. So napapanaginipan nila yung isa't isa until mag-decide sila na to see each other. That's how the story will start.
Pero kahit na ikalawang beses na ito ni Regine sa MMK, kinakabahan pa rin daw siya sa first taping day pa lang nila.
Iyak. But, you know, as being supported by Albert and of course, it's my first time to also work with, Direct Jeffrey. Natatense ako kasi usually yung mga nagiging director ko, mga kabagang ko, yung mga napakalokohan ko, medyo behave ako ng konti, pero konti lang.
Regine Velasquez sa kanyang pagbabalik.
Sana po ay panoorin nyo ang episode na ito, very special episode na ito, ng Maalaala Mo Kaya.
Regine Velasquez, first time live sa Entertainment Live.
Please welcome live and live with us, Asa Songbird, a terrific and excellent singer and actress, Miss Regine Velasquez. Good afternoon, Miss Reg.
Welcome, Miss Regine.
Welcome to Entertainment Live.
It's my first time to be here. I'm very
It is an honor to share the stage with you.
Same here, same
We're
here.
so honored that you're here. Pero teka muna, pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay ang MMK, the very much awaited MMK na malapit na natin mapanood.
This is going to be on Friday.
Okay.
Pagkatapos po ng napaka-successful na episode ni Casey, ito naman po yung isusunod ng Maalaala Mo Kaya.
Wow.
It's an honor for me to do this. This is my second time. The first time was with Piolo nga.
And you won an award.
Yeah.
Grabe. First
Best
time.
actress ako. Meron kaming napapangipangitang baka maging best picture. Pero ako lang. Best picture ako
Yung
lang.
sa'yo lang.
Pero Miss
Ako
Reg,
lang.
they were saying that Tito Albert said, tsaka si Direk Jeffy, na they were very, very happy with your performance.
Very impressed.
Very, very
Talaga?
impressed.
I'm so happy. Hindi kasi si Direk Jeffrey, nakalimutan kong sabihin sa kanya na hindi ako nag-rehearse. So pag nire-rehearse nila ako, niloloko ko, pinapalitan ko yung mga lines. Si Albert umiiyak na.
Naku.
Wait, you don't rehearse, Miss Reg?
At least there's one thing na may
Wow.
nalaman tayo today. Hindi pa rin siya
Oo,
nagre-rehearsal.
nakalimutan kong sabihin sa kanya. I mean, gagawin ko yung blocking, I'll say my lines, but I won't,
Yung emotions
I don't put the
Oo.
emotions. Kasi, na-affect, mabilis ako ma-affect. So, masyado magiging heavy, or either that, or masyado ng acting na acting, na hindi na masyadong spontaneous. That's why I don't rehearse.
What's the name of your character and ano yung...
Similarities
Oo.
niyo.
Kaming dalawa, well, aside from sa buhok, ano nga ba yung pangalan ko? Kathy. Kathy is my name here. And siguro, in some ways, medyo nakaka-relate ako sa kanya because of, yun nga yung parang, hindi siya masyadong happy with her, although wala naman ako asawa, but she wasn't very happy with her
Married life.
married life. And then nakita niya itong kanyang parang
First love.
na hino-haunt siya na di ka naman magtataka, ang gwapo.
Oo, narikisin.
So, parang ganyan, something like that.
Oo.
Now, kailangan nating, ang papakaabangan natin, I think, is kung madedecide ba nila to live their respective families to be together, yun.
Ay.
On that romance note,
On that
kamusta na kayo ni Tito Ogie?
Oh, Tito Ogie talaga.
Lagot ka!
Yun ang tawag ko sa kanya talaga. Yun ang tawag sa kanya because kilala ko si Tito Ogie ever since. Bata pa lang ako, pinapanood ko na siya.
Lagot ka! Ako
Bakit?
nga sasabihin ko Kuya Ogie, pero...
Masama ba rumispeto sa nakakatanda?
Lagot ka talaga!
Bakit? Kamusta na kayo?
How is Valentine?
Baka ibig sabihin, nun ganun din tatawag dyan sa akin, Tita Regine.
Hindi naman
kami,
sis.
Miss Regine.
Hindi naman sis.
Ako, Miss Regine. How is the Valentine's Day?
Valentine's Day, okay naman, pero nagtrabaho kasi siya. He was in Iloilo, so pinuntahan ko lang siya doon. So,
Oh.
ang Valentine,
Oh.
actually, nakakatawa yung Valentine sa amin. Kasi actually, he didn't know that I was gonna go there.
Oh, may
Kasi
surprise.
meron akong ginawa meron akong something dito for my mom. So, nung gabi, I went there to surprise him, and he was so surprised. But I have to tell you this, since pagod na kami pareho, so, nag-ano na lang kami, nanood kami ang Valentine's namin, ang Valentine date namin ni Ogie. Nanood kami ng movie ni Bea Alonso at ni John Lloyd.
One more chance?
Hindi, Close to You.
Close to you!
Sa TV.
Good choice.
Hindi
Very,
nga.
very good choice.
Tapos kaming dalawa, palakpakan kaming dalawa. Ang ganda-ganda. Ang galing ni John Lloyd. Ang galing ni John Lloyd. Ang ganda ni Bea. So kami pareho, parang pinagnanasahan namin yung
Thank you for sharing.
Oo, parang pinagnanasahan
Thank you
namin na
for
parang
sharing
kami na too much information.
information.
Sorry, I'm too emotional these days. No, but it was such a good movie and we enjoyed watching it. Eh kasi Valentine's Day, so parang ito sa perfect film to watch.